The world is full of amazing places, and nature has a way of inspiring wonder in all of us. From the snow capped peaks of the Himalayas to the serene beaches of Maldives to the lush green forests of Amazon, every corner of our planet holds beauty that takes your breath away. Nature teaches us patience, peace, and harmony. The sound of flowing rivers, the smell of fresh rain, the sight of golden sunsets, all of these remind us to slow down and appreciate life. Traveling and exploring these places not only shows us the beauty of the world but also helps us connect with ourselves. So, take a moment to step outside, feel the wind, listen to the birds, and marvel at the wonders around you because the earth is our home and its beauty is truly priceless. Thank you.